Looking for the best WhatsApp AI automation platform for your business? Then you are in the right place. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll walk you through one of the most powerful WhatsApp AI automation platform with the help of which you can create intelligent WhatsApp AI assistant that automate customer supports, handle lead generation and works 24/7 for your business. To make this tutorial more practical, we are not going to work with a random example. Instead, we'll build a complete Cloud Kitchen AI assistant from scratch. In this single video, you will learn how to train the AI assistant using your own business knowledge base. This allows the AI to provide accurate responses based on your business information instead of generic answers. We'll learn how Pabbly Chatflow AI assistant feature works. But before we proceed, let me give you a quick real-time overview of how this AI assistant will work in real time by sending a simple hi message to my WhatsApp AI assistant. See, immediately it responds. Now I am sending a next message to this AI assistant as what should I order if it's my first time ordering from your kitchen. And see how interactively it replies to me by sending me the most popular picks. Let's say I want to order burger and lunch combo. Next you will see it shares me the prices of the exact same picks that I want to order, that is burger and lunch combo. Moving forward, I sent the next messages built me the best meal under 400 and it responds with something like this. So whether you want to know more about menu, pricing, delivery charges, locations, meal suggestions or anything else, the AI assistant can handle everything manually. You just have to simply train your AI assistant using your business knowledge base and it starts responding. Now let's understand how this entire setup has been created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. See, the Pabbly Chatflow is a powerful no-code WhatsApp automation platform that allows you to build WhatsApp chatbot, AI assistant, broadcast messages and many more. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this AI assistant. Alright, so this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and run the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign up process, you will come towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and once you reach it, on the left hand side you will see the multiple features. You just have to come towards this AI assistant feature and this AI assistant page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. So for creating a new AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. I have already created some, so I'm directly going in it. See, this is the AI assistant that I have created for the Cloud Kitchen. I have given its name as Best AI WhatsApp Automation Platform for Small Businesses. You can change the name based on the AI assistant you are creating. Once you reach here, at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. Here I have selected it as an AI agent. As soon as you will select the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set it the temperature as 0.5. You can increase or decrease it from here. After that, you just have to select the model provider from here that I have selected as OpenAI. Next, select the GPT model that I am going to select as GPT-4o mini. It will provide you multiple types of GPT models, but you can select anyone according to your choice. Next, it is asking you for the API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to go towards your OpenAI API keys page and here click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project from here and provide the permission as well. Next, click on this create secret key button and see the API key is created successfully. successfully. So copy its key from here and paste it in this field. For generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button. This is how easily you can save your OpenAI key. Next is the AI assistant settings with multiple options. You can customize it completely based on your own requirements. If you want to add any header or footer, then you can enable this toggle and enter it. And if you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enable this toggle and enter the word in this field. See, stop keywords works like, for example, you have entered any keyword in this field and the user will send exact that keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and at that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I'm not adding any stop keywords too. Next one is the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if the assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the better conversation. After that, the knowledge source. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. It works like a brain for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier in this tutorial, I have created a dummy AI assistant for Cloud Kitchen. For that, I have already designed the knowledge base file before. See, this is the knowledge base file. I added all the information related to my business inside it. You also have to make sure that this knowledge base file consists all of your business data, as it plays an important role. You can create a knowledge base file by using Google Doc or any other application. And I want you to know that your knowledge base file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a knowledge base file, you just have to click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and just click on this and upload a file from your gallery. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of your AI agent. After that, the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. I have entered the heading as Smart AI Assistant, and you can see as soon as I enter something in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, you can customize these settings based on your own requirements. Add subheading, initial message, labels, footer link, and the user first message too. I have set this by my choice. Now the next one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will becomes active, and click on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to follow the simple step, and that's why this is the best AI WhatsApp automation platform. After doing the setup of AI assistant, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you just have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here on whom you want to set your AI assistant. After that, select the AI assistant from it. Here that I am selecting this. After that, I am clicking on the save button. So this is how easily you can assign the AI assistant to all of your contacts. So if you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, so for that we have already a separate feature called contacts. With the help of this feature, you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed tutorial for it. Check the description below for the video link. If you face some difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant by using this single tool. So whether you run a cloud kitchen, restaurant, e-commerce store, agency, travel business, or any other organization, you can use the same approach to automate customer communication and provide instant support 24/7. And if you are looking a best platform where you can create a WhatsApp chatbot, AI assistant for your businesses, then Pabbly Chatflow is definitely worth exploring. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you did, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.